What's up everybody, welcome to episode 3 of how to design t-shirts in Adobe Illustrator. This is Abir Islam from munezstudiotee. Today I'll teach you another awesome t-shirt design. So this is the design that we will learn today, how to do it. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So we are in the Illustrator now. Let's create a new document. I'm using A4 size and CMYK color as usual. Our artboard is ready to start the design. Now select the ellipse tool and make a 6" into 6" circle. Now align it center. I will change the fill color for easy visibility. I'm making the design for a black shirt. That's why I'm selecting the rectangle tool to create a vertical shape to cover the white background to a darker color. Select the line segment tool and create a straight horizontal line on the top and the bottom. You can copy the top line easily. Just drag it holding the Shift and Alt key in your keyboard. Now the same way, drag the top line a little down and then press the Ctrl D to create 10 copies of this line. Now select all the lines and then go to the distribute objects and click on the vertical distribute center to make the spacing even for all the lines. Now delete the top and bottom lines. Now I will make all the lines as black color. Now select the circle and click on the linear gradient and change the angle to 46 degrees. I'm using a pink color combination. You can choose anything that you like. I will select the white gradient slider and then select the eyedropper. Then double click on the fill. A pop-up box will appear. Then put your color value. Same thing for the other side as well. Now I will add a clip art of palm trees. You can find them in Google for free. Let's copy it and then paste it here. Ctrl to copy and Ctrl V to paste it. I need the right part only, so I will delete the left part. To do that, I'm selecting the pencil tool and then drawing a line to mark the left part. Then select the both and from the Pathfinder panel, click on the minus front to delete left part. Now I will adjust it to make it fit perfectly in the circle. I have found my position. Now create a copy of the pink circle, paste it on the same place. Then select the palm tree and the circle. Now press Ctrl+7 to make a clipping mask. It will take the palm tree inside the circle. Select all the lines and then copy the circle. Then select both and press Ctrl+7 to create a clipping mask. This way all the horizontal lines will go inside the pink circle. Now select the text tool and then click on the empty space. Now write your content and change the font size, etc. I'm writing Miami in Roboto Slab bold font. The font size I'm using is 140 something. Now I will create a copy of this text and will write beach in playlist script font, and the size I'm using is 94 point something. Now I will copy another text and I will write 1915 in the same Roboto Slab font, and the font size will be 20 pt. Now I will create a triangle shape to give our design a balancing look. To do that, I'm selecting the rectangular tool, then I will draw a vertical square shape, and then I'll select the delete anchor point tool and will remove the bottom right corner. Now I will adjust the shape until it looks good. So that is it guys, this is how I have made this design in Illustrator. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next tutorial with another awesome design. Till then, take care, bye bye.